Hello, data enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's becoming increasingly vital in the world of machine learning: feature stores. So, whether you're an experienced data scientist, an aspiring machine learning engineer, or just someone curious about the tech world, you're in the right place. Now, have you ever wondered how machine learning models get the data they need to make predictions? Well, that's where feature stores come in. So, what exactly is a feature store and why is it important in machine learning pipelines? Let's break it down. At its core, a feature store is a centralized repository for storing, managing, and sharing features used in machine learning models. Features are individual measurable properties or attributes of the data. For example, if you were building a model to predict house prices, your features might include the size of the house, the number of bedrooms, the location, and even the year it was built. So, why do we need a feature store? Well, think about it. Machine learning models heavily rely on high-quality features. However, managing these features across different projects can be quite a challenge. That's where the feature store shines. Imagine you're a data scientist working on multiple projects. You might find yourself recreating the same features over and over again, which not only consumes time but is also prone to errors. A feature store allows data scientists to reuse features across different models, saving time and ensuring consistency. Let's look at a practical example. Suppose you developed a feature to identify customer purchasing behavior. This feature might include data like the number of purchases made in the last month or the total spend in the last year. Instead of coding this feature from scratch for each new model, you can simply retrieve it from the feature store. Now, let's talk about some key benefits of using a feature store. 1. Collaboration ***. Feature stores promote collaboration between data scientists and engineers. When features are stored in a central location, it's easier for teams to share knowledge and work together on projects. 2. Versioning ***. Feature stores often come with versioning control, meaning you can track changes to features over time. This is crucial for understanding how changes impact model performance and for reverting to previous versions if necessary. 3. Real-time access ***. Many feature stores support real-time feature retrieval, which is essential for applications like fraud detection or recommendation systems, where timely data is critical. For data quality ***. Feature stores can help enforce data quality standards. They often include mechanisms to validate and clean data before it's used in models, ensuring the features you use are reliable and accurate. Some well-known companies, like Airbnb and Uber, have implemented feature stores in their machine learning workflows. For example, Uber's Michelangelo platform includes a feature store that allows its data scientists to share features across multiple machine learning projects seamlessly. This not only accelerates their development process but also improves their model performance. So, to sum up, a feature store is essentially a powerful tool that streamlines the feature engineering process in machine learning. It helps data scientists save time, ensures consistency across projects, and ultimately leads to better performing models. Whether you're working on a small project or a large-scale application, integrating a feature store into your machine learning pipeline can make a significant difference. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about feature stores in machine learning pipelines. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on the world of data science and machine learning. Also, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you used a feature store in your projects? What challenges did you face? Share your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the universe of data.